Hello everyone, this is Andy again. We're back with the Microsoft Surface Pro 128 gig that I got yesterday, and we already did a video on the unboxing. It's in the channel. We did a video on the gaming performance and MATLAB performance, productivity software performance of this device, which failed miserably due to scaling issues. However, we'll get back on that later on. Today, well, still today, on this video, I want to talk about the note-taking ability of this device. I have loaded the 2003 Office 2013, I'm sorry, 2003, and the OneNote application is on. Now, obviously, I cannot show you guys while I'm doing like real-life note-taking. What I'm going to try to do is, and this is my first time doing this, I'm going to try to copy my class notes. I'll try to show you guys like this. It looks kind of, it's hard to get in there because I have a camera mount, but on this page, as you can see, this is digital signal processing notes that I have. I'm gonna try to copy these on to the Surface, like on me seeing this on a whiteboard and trying to actually duplicate it with the color and everything, because I have some pencil here, I have black, I have red, I have some graphs, I have some text. So we'll see how that goes. First of all, something that I like about OneNote is that I can tap on the screen and that thing starts blinking, meaning I can pull out the keyboard and say, turn on caps lock, well not caps lock, but shift, lecture 1. Done. Now I'm done with lecture 1. I typed it, I didn't have to write it. From now on I'm not going to write anything. I could actually write things, but that's going to be another video. I'm going to try to do another video of me note-taking, actually using the keyboard with this thing propped up, using the camera on the back, taking notes with the keyboard and just drawing the diagrams while it's propped up using the pen. But again, that's going to be later. Okay, let's delete that. Alright, now let's start. This is lecture number 1. We start with communication system. Oh, this is going to be horrible. You guys are going to make fun of me. I know you will. Let's see, I wrote this in, let's see, in red. The first thing I wrote was ECE. Taking forever. 561 lecture 1. I didn't really have to write this because I already wrote lecture 1. Like, that's not how you write lecture. Well, this is a good time to demonstrate the eraser. Lecture 1. Then I switched to black pen and wrote communication systems. I feel like I'm writing really big, but the good thing is I can actually make it smaller, adjust it. There we go, communication systems. Now, then I changed color. Well, I'm not going to change color. Actually, I should change the color of this thing. I wonder if I can do that right now. If I can change the color of this thing, because I want to use black later on, I want this to be like blue. So if I can maybe like select this. Is it selected? Yeah, I think it is. Draw. Make it blue. How do you make this thing blue? Maybe with that? No, it's making my pen blue. I don't know. Okay, I'll leave it on for now. We'll continue. Do we have still a good pen? Okay, good. Alright, communication systems. Then I wrote information source here. And right below, I did this. And a transmitter. This is coming out pretty horrible so far, but I think it's because I'm not used to this thing at all. I don't even know if I can fit transmitter here. Transmitter. Channel. I think channel is with double L. I don't know. And then receiver. I can't fit a receiver here. I'll just put rec. And then we have a destination. Okay. Oh, Oh, that's good. So we have audio, video, text. I just moved the thing out of it. There you go. Text, data, image. And then over here on the transmitter I wrote, no idea why, modulation, AM, FM, single sideband, that. And I came down here and I did this, and I wrote wireless and wired. And then right at the receiver, I put noise. And then I put the wavelength equation right here, which is lambda equals speed of light divided by frequency. Yay! We're playing with surface, we're testing the surface and learning at the same time. Ha ha ha. Okay, that's not funny. Most of you are probably like, what the hell, play Battlefield? Okay, I will. Well, actually I can't. So, if you have a signal, I feel like I'm tutoring. I actually could tutor. God, stop moving. Look what happened here. If you have a signal like this, you know what, I'm gonna go blue here. So let's say a baseband signal that does something like this. Don't know why. If you take the, this will be obviously in time domain, x of t, our function. In fast Fourier transform, if I take the fast Fourier transform, when I take the Fourier transform and look at this thing in frequency domain, I will be seeing something like this. This will be x of t, and this will be f. And we will have something like this, let's say. I don't know what it is, this is random. And then when I go through a transmitter, which imbues this thing with a which imbues it with a carrier, we're gonna have F naught, F naught, and this is gonna be the center right here, x of t. It's modulated. Actually, this is wrong. This is right. And that is not F naught. Ooh. Now we're seeing the problems with line erasing. This is F naught. And this is F naught. This is coming horrible. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, next. Now if we have a signal like this, x of t, and let's say the signal goes like that in time domain, and we do AM modulation. Can I do something here? I want to be like all cute yellow. Oh, look at that. That's pretty awesome. Come on, you can accept this is awesome. Alright, I'm having fun right now. Such a nerd. Okay. We do AM modulation. On the other hand, we're going to have, again in time domain, once the AM modulation is done, it should be something like, I really don't know how to do AM modulation. Maybe something like this. Right. And then, okay, this is the hardest part. Let's get a different color. The sinusoidal. Oh a sinusoidal is gonna go like this. Ah, too bad, I can get used to this. But in reality, the AM is going to have... No, what happened? What happened? Go back. Okay, thanks. Yeah, this is getting really... Maybe more like this. This looks like a 5-year-old kid painting. Seriously, this doesn't look like digital signal processing. This is anything but digital signal processing. Okay. One last thing. Let's go back to black. Put in, let's say we have transmitter antenna. Go up to here. Come down here. Come down here. And receive. You have this gentleman here turn into wah due to a regenerator. Okay, we are done. Now let's compare notes. Actually, let's put this guy in portrait mode. There we go. It's not bad. That's bad. How am I gonna do this? Okay, now this is, well, I'm gonna have to use this camera by hand. See my Christmas pants. My Christmas pants are on the internet. Okay, this is, sorry for all the shakiness. It's gonna get better right now. There it is. This is how what was original, and this is what we got on the notes. And it took me 12 minutes. I'm pretty sure I wrote this down in 5 minutes. So I definitely have to get better at this, but it is doable. So thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.